Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a breathtaking road trip to Snowdonia in North Wales. Our journey starts in London, traveling through the famous M25 motorway before heading onto the M40, then the M54, and finally, the Scenic A5 as we approach the stunning landscapes of Snowdonia. As we drive, we're transitioning from the busy motorways to peaceful country roads, where the beauty of the UK countryside starts to emerge. So grab a seat and enjoy the ride as we journey towards one of the most beautiful regions in the UK, Snowdonia National Park. Now that we've left the motorways behind, we're winding our way through the beautiful country roads. Look around, the landscape has shifted to rolling hills, green pastures, and quaint little villages. Now, after a day full of adventure, what could be better than coming back to a cozy lodge? Snowdonia has some fantastic lodges where you can unwind and take in the scenery. The best part? Some of these lodges come with a private hot tub. Just imagine soaking in the hot tub, surrounded by the beauty of Snowdonia. The views of the mountains at sunset? Unbeatable! Whether you're on a family trip, a romantic getaway, or a solo adventure, these lodges are perfect for recharging for the next day's exploration. Speaking of exploring, Snowdonia is a hiker's paradise. From gentle river walks to more challenging mountain treks, there's a trail for everyone. The landscape here is so varied. You'll find yourself constantly amazed at the beauty around each corner. Trekking in Snowdonia is all about immersing yourself in nature. The sound of the rivers, the fresh mountain air, and the incredible views all around make it an unforgettable experience. One of the most serene parts of Snowdonia is its rivers. These rivers flow through the valleys, cutting through the mountains and bringing life to the land. As we continue our drive, we'll make a quick stop by one of these rivers, where you can hear the soothing sound of the water as it rushes over the rocks. This is the perfect spot for a peaceful walk, a moment to pause and take in the natural beauty surrounding us. Snowdonia isn't all about mountains and rivers. Its forests are equally magical. As we drive deeper into the park, we enter dense woodlands, filled with towering trees and a carpet of soft moss underfoot. These forests are teeming with wildlife, and walking through them feels like stepping into another world. Snowdonia, it's a great place for a peaceful hike or walk along the river. Riverwalk Trail is just a quiet moment to reconnect with nature. Snowdonia truly is a magical place where adventure and relaxation go hand in hand. Beautiful landscapes Wales has to offer. Enjoyed this journey through some of the most beautiful places of Snowdonia, and I can't wait to share more with you in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for Snowdonia Part 2.